Hello, today I'm going to replace my 12-volt battery for Ioniq 28 kilowatt hours. It's 4 year old, and I'm getting the warning that the battery was charged from the main battery, which is the signal that the battery is not able to keep the voltage and slowly going down. So it's better to replace it now than to be surprised later on that I cannot open the car. In this case, you have two choices: just take the car to a Hyundai service, or just do it yourself, just replace it. On the aftermarket, you can find part A13, or here in Europe is brand Excite. There is the number 406. But these two batteries are the same size, I mean 40 amps, but they have different connector. They have the smaller connectors. So what I decided to choose the VARTA B23, which is a little bit bigger. It's 45 amps, and also the size is bigger. But as the positive is that those connectors are the same like original battery. There will be small challenge because there are this holder, battery holder, and here are the three ribs. The ribs are basically blocking movement of this battery, and I need to cut them out to fit the bigger battery. So the steps will be just remove negative, remove positive, take out the battery, cut out the ribs, put there the new battery, put the positive, put the negative, and hopefully the new battery will fit. So job is done. You can see the even bigger battery will fit. There is really no gap, and here's I just removed the ribs and it will fit perfectly. So now the battery is 45 amps, and yeah, 10 minutes job. So thank you for watching.